Meaning of disorganization.
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 Disorganization. Disorganization refers to a state of disorder or confusion where things are not properly arranged or managed. This can lead to a lack of clarity and efficiency, making it difficult to achieve goals and complete tasks. Disorganization can result in wasted time and resources, as well as reduced productivity and quality of work. It can also cause stress and frustration for those involved, as they struggle to navigate the chaos and uncertainty created by the disorganization. In short, disorganization has negative consequences that can impact individuals, teams, and organizations as a whole.